Hello tech lovers, want to dive deep into the world of Qwen.Ai? Whether you're looking to explore AI chatbots or access some cool features, I'm here to show you how to create an account in just few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Qwen.Ai website. Chat.Qwen.Lm.ai is the official Qwen.Ai website. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see this beautiful homepage where it says Ask Qwen No More. Here, look at the top right corner, you'll see a login button. Simply click on it. Since we want to create an account, you'll have to choose Sign Up option. Click on Sign Up. Here, enter your full name, enter your email address, and your password. Once you've entered all your credentials, simply check on I agree with terms of services and privacy policy and click on Create Account button. And slide this to verify that you're a human. And as the screen says, the account is pending activation. Please activate your account through the verification email in your inbox. Now we'll have to check our inbox to verify our email. Here, simply click on Activate My Account. And just like that, we have successfully created our account in Qwen.Ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.